Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a $5 Goodwill challenge hosted by Hillary from Old World Home. Now, when I had picked up this beautiful basket from the thrift store, I had recorded a beautiful intro for you guys showing you this basket, which I'm pretty sure is an apple basket. I had picked it up in a thrift store for $5. And right when I picked it up, I recorded an intro, but my camera broke and I lost all the footage that was on that camera. Not sure what happened, so I don't have a proper intro, but I still wanted to participate. I did use a different camera to record the process of decorating this basket, and so here it is. So the first thing that I did is I spray painted all sorts of different pumpkins that were from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama, or they have been fillers from vases and just pumpkins that I had around the house. I also painted some of them with chalk paint, and I just to give different colors and looks and feels for them. Then at the bottom of the basket I put two old paint cans that still had paint, but they were no good, just to weigh down the basket so the wind doesn't blow it away, because I will be using it for outside. Then instead of newspaper, because I needed a lot and I didn't have that much newspaper, I stuffed it with an old tablecloth. Then I put some twine and these leaf garland just to add a little bit more stuff to it. And then I had this jack-o'-lantern, which I will be using for Halloween, but because this is more for Thanksgiving and fall decor, I turned it around and I made that my center point of the basket, and then I have just added all the other pumpkins around it and played around with it so they were in there tight so the wind doesn't blow them away. Once all the pumpkins were in, I just added extra leaves and some berries, fall berries that I had around the house. So here it is on my front porch, and I love the way it looks and ties everything together. Different colors, different textures of the pumpkins, and the basket I think is a great addition to my front porch decor. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Hillary, for hosting this challenge again. And like I said, I will have the playlist and her channel linked down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for watching.